Hey, what's going on guys? Nick here with another Resident Evil news update. So recently the movie has been getting a bit of traction. Obviously this is going to be a complete revival franchise for Resident Evil. It's not going to have anything to do with the other films that starred Mila Jovovich for quite a while. And it's expected to begin production sometime next year with a brand new cast. Well, Variety has revealed that the director of 47 Meters Down and Strangers Prey at Night is going to be writing and directing the upcoming film. This franchise is obviously a high priority for Constantin Film ever since May 2017 when the first news of this reboot came out, because the franchise has actually earned 1.2 billion across all of the films, and it obviously is a pretty big IP in entertainment. You know, the video game franchise that's still going. There's a lot of hype with the whole Resident Evil 2 remake and, you know, other games on the horizon, and it's one of those classic horror franchises. Now, as for the choice of director, I did see 47 Meters Down and Strangers Prey at Night, and I felt like 47 Meters Down was just alright, but it could have been better, and the Strangers Prey at Night at least had a bit of a better atmosphere, but also kind of suffered from the same issues. So far his track record is kind of spotty, but I mean, maybe he could have better luck with this franchise given better material, you know, to work with, so who knows. Recently our friends over at Discussing Film had an interview with the writer of the upcoming reboot that did the first draft of the script, and he talked about how the studio is really trying to go for that horror aspect, looking at games like Resident Evil 7 for inspiration more so this time. So what do you guys think of the news? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. Are you guys a fan of the films that he's done, like 47 Meters Down, The Other Side of the Door, or Strangers Prey at Night? And are you still looking forward to a cinematic reboot of the Resident Evil franchise? For more updates on Resident Evil and everything pop culture, be sure to subscribe to HN Entertainment.